Fabricate a flareless fitting tube connection. You're installing a hydraulic line deep inside the fuselage. Space is tight, pressure is high, and there's no room to flare tubing. You need a strong, leak-proof connection fast. That's where flareless fittings come in. Unlike flared fittings that seal against a flared tube end, a flareless fitting uses compression. The seal forms as the sleeve bites into the tube wall, secured by a nut against the fitting body. No flare required, just precise alignment and torque. So, where are flareless fittings typically used? They're common in high-pressure hydraulic or pneumatic systems, and especially useful where tight access makes flaring impractical. You'll see them on aircraft using annealed 50-50-2O, aluminum, or 304 stainless steel tubing. So, how do you install one correctly? Let's walk through the fabrication process. Start by cutting the tube to length using a proper tube cutter. The cut must be clean and square with no jagged edges. Deeper both the inside and outside to prevent leaks. Now, slide the nut and sleeve onto the tube. Make sure they're facing the correct direction. The sleeve's long taper must face the fitting body. Insert the tube into the fitting body until it bottoms out. Hold it firmly in position, then tighten the nut finger tight. From there, torque it to specification by either using a torque wrench or by turning a specified number of flats. For aluminum alloy tubing up to and including 1/2 inch in outside diameter, tighten the nut between 1 to 1 1/6 turns. For steel tubing or aluminum tubing over 1/2 inch, go from 1 1/6 to 1 1/2 turns. This ensures the sleeve bites cleanly into the tubing wall. After presetting, disconnect the fitting and inspect the tube. The tubing should extend about 3 by 32 to 1/8 of an inch beyond the sleeve pilot. The sleeve should contact the tube or leave no more than 0.005 inch clearance for aluminum or 0.015 inch for steel. A slight collapse of the tube near the sleeve is normal. Just make sure the sleeve stays fixed in place. No movement is allowed, except for free rotation. Avoid mistakes like reversing the sleeve or over-tightening the nut. Both can damage the connection. After assembly, check that the tube is fully seated, threads are hidden, and the sleeve is evenly engaged. Torque values differ by tubing size and material, so always follow the manufacturer's specifications or FAA standards. Get it wrong and you risk leaks or fitting failure, but get it right and you've got a connection that's leak-proof, vibration-resistant, and trusted in critical aircraft systems.